प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी 22 सितंबर से 25 सितंबर तक अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति जो बाइडेन के आमंत्रण पर अमेरिका के अहम दौरे पर रवाना हुए हैं। पहली बार जो बाइडेन से मुलाकात कर प्रधानमंत्री भारत अमेरिका वैश्विक साझेदारी, आपसी हित के क्षेत्रीय व वैश्विक मुद्दों पर विचारों का आदान प्रदान करेंगे। इस पर भाजपा ने कहा है कि नरेंद्र मोदी के नेतृत्व में भारत भविष्य में अर्थव्यवस्था और प्रौद्योगिकी को आकार देने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभा रहा है।
He has led the country and he's united the country in its resilient fight against all these three issues. And one of the important points that the world is recognizing about our Honorable Prime Minister's leadership is not only have we fought these three very difficult challenges over the last 18 months, but he has, and his government has, vaccinated 81 crore vaccinations. Our economy has rebounded strongly and has received record FDI over $65 billion. We have recorded highest ever exports, record agriculture production, and shown the world that the Indian economy is not just resilient, but also is bouncing back and is expected to become the fastest growing economy, crossing 10% this financial year. The recognition of our Honorable Prime Minister by the world as a global leader is not recent. Over the last 7 years, he has been recognized by countries across the globe, ranging from Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates on one end to Russia and France and many other countries. And in the post-COVID world order, which is what I believe is being played out in front of all of us, I think the world will seek, as we seek a more rule-based, transparent and democratic future, India under the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji will surely play a most significant role in shaping that future.